Tun bango, tun bango. Video năm hay xin ông thả với họ.
Vì đôi sang thu pi min bol. Rồi in này ngoài chứ.
Nung tiếng đấy, mình làm phổ độ lại chứ. Coi có ổn lại hết. Vài cái hộp biệt tậu. Họ nó không trụ.
Nói lại tao vì đâu chỉ có nào không, khăn lộc không, khăn nào không.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Okay. Since I am here for about 6 months now, and I've been moving around and meeting a lot of people. One of them is standing here, Hokib is I think in Karam Wi-Fi. I just spoke to him. And we've been speaking and meeting most of them, me, my officers. And I'd like to say a few things. Indian Army works on a simple principle, and that is nation first, people first. And you would have seen our actions till the time this unfortunate events that have happened since 2023. And it has been our endeavor, and as you are aware, since we are located here and you are our immediate neighbors. And at every moment when the people required our assistance, before the assistance was sought, we were there for each and every one. And the recent incident which has taken place on the Hill Road, you are all aware, and thereafter the unfortunate incidents that have taken place has somehow, if I may say...
Why it is burned?
Just a minute, let me complete. I'll answer all your questions. Please don't get agitated. Let me explain. The events after 30th of May, we are all aware what has happened on the thing.
If it is so, why it is burned?
And we have been,
If
it is our endeavor.
Army is there, why it is burned?
Somebody can ask him to control, and I'll answer his question also. So as I was saying, it has been our endeavor to be around the area to basically see that no untoward incident happens. But when we also seek your assistance in basically resolving the situation, if we fall prey to this sinister design, then we'll not be able to resolve this issue. So, as I speak to you, I speak to the other people, I meet people from both the sides, and it has been our endeavor here. Everybody, the 57 days, the other security forces which are there, the locals, the CSOs, the prominent personalities, the village chiefs, everybody has come up on board, and that is how we were able to resolve all of this area as it now is. Now, this is the very, very challenging time. I fully agree and sympathize with everybody. And I am not new to Manipur. I am not new to Manipur. I've been here in Manipur